Let's learn the letters and their sounds. Can you identify this letter? A. What is the phonic sound of A? A. Apple. Aeroplane. Which letter is this? B. What is the phonic sound of B? B. Butterfly. Bee. Which letter is this? C. What is the phonic sound of C? K. Car. Cat. Which letter is this? D. What is the phonic sound of D? D. Dragonfly. Dinosaur. Which letter is this? E. What is the phonic sound of E? Elephant. Egg. Elf. Which letter is this? F. What is the phonic sound of F? Frog. Flower. Which letter is this? G. What is the phonic sound of G? G. Grass. Goat. Which letter is this? H. What is the phonic sound of H? H. Heart. Hedgehog. Helicopter. Which letter is this? I. What is the phonic sound of I? E. Igloo. Ink. Which letter is this? J. What is the phonic sound of J? Jam. Jellyfish. Which letter is this? K. K. Sound is K. Key. Cola. Which letter is this? L. What is the phonic sound of letter L? Lion. Ladybug. Which letter is this? M. What is the phonic sound of M? Mama mat. Mama monster. Which letter is this? N. What is the phonic sound of N? Nest. Net. Which letter is this? O. What is the phonic sound of O? Ox. Orange. Owl. Which letter is this? P. What is the phonic sound of P? Parrot. Penguin. Pig. Which letter is this? Q. What is the phonic sound of Q? Question mark. Quail. Which letter is this? R. What is the phonic sound of R? Rabbit. Rat. Which letter is this? S. What is the phonic sound of S? Sun. Snail. Which letter is this? T. What is the phonic sound of T? Tortoise. Tiger. Which letter is this? U. What is the phonic sound of U? Up. Umbrella. Which letter is this? V. What is the phonic sound of V? Violin. Van. Which letter is this? W. What is the phonic sound of W? Watermelon. Walrus. Which letter is this? X. What is the phonic sound of X? X. For X-ray, we use the beginning sound X. Whereas for these words like fox, 6, box, ox, we use X as ending sound. Which letter is this? Y. What is the phonic sound of Y? Ya. Yogurt. Yacht. Which letter is this? Z. What is the phonic sound of Z? Z. Zucchini. Z, z, zebra.